Hello friends, you know what time it is. It's cafecito time. So welcome to House of Cid. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Veronica and I make welcome. My name is Veronica and I make videos about coffee reviews, coffee recipes, coffee adventures, and everything from the wonderful world of coffee because we love coffee. Today I have a special video. Well, not really special, but you know, it's summer, it's starting to heat up and hot off the Nespresso assembly line, I am going to share with you the newest, hottest, most anticipated coffees from Nespresso. So make sure you stick around. Okay, friends, coffee lovers, Nespresso lovers, this is the haul that we've been waiting for. I've been waiting for, and I know some of you have been waiting for it too. So if you're new here, welcome to my channel. Like I said, my name is Veronica, and I make coffee videos mostly about Nespresso, but I like to sprinkle a little bit of other coffees here and there. So if you're new here, please subscribe to our channel. And friends that are returning, welcome. You guys might know what I'm going to be showing you. So new coffees have been released from Nespresso, but before I show you this, I just wanted to let you guys know I checked the website right before I came on, and Stormio and Melozio Boost coffees are back in stock. So if you've seen my reviews on those coffees, I really enjoyed them. I really liked them. The extra caffeine boost has been pretty good. It's helped a lot. I really have enjoyed them. So if you're interested in those coffees, make sure you go order them because you guys know they're gonna sell out again and be out of stock pretty quick. So just wanted to let you guys know. And if you haven't ordered them yet and are interested and want to see my reviews, I'll link them up here, down here. You guys know the deal. So okay, time to share my little haul. So I actually ordered this on Wednesday and it got here on Thursday morning, and today is Friday. So there it is. Look at all those pretty colors. Okay, so this is what I bought, and I'm just going to share with you my haul, and then I'm going to do individual reviews of all the coffees. So many goodies. So many goodies. Put that on the floor. You know, your usual recycle bag, which I was in need of. Samples. I love these samples. And you know what? I like these samples because when I try to save them for when I'm low on coffee, or sometimes I give them to my sister to try because she's not as adventurous when it comes to coffee. So yeah, make sure you always try and get your samples. Okay, so this is what we have. Let's start with the virtual coffees. So these are my virtual coffees that I ordered that I'm so excited to try and review for you guys. Let's start with the latest, the newest. They have new virtual coffees. This is like one that was released maybe a week or two ago, so it's not the newest, but it's pretty new. It's called the Exotic Limina. It's Portuguese. I don't speak Portuguese, but it's basically lemon, exotic lemon for virtual, and this is part of their new iced coffee collection. 2.7 ounces double espresso. So I'm going to be making a video. I'm going to be making a review about this, and I think I might have a recipe. Okay, the next one I ordered is another new one. It's been out about a week or two, not that long. Papua New Guinea. Excited to try this one. This one is this is a full coffee, 7.77 ounces. Ooh, berry. And it's a little bit on the lighter side, which is good. I enjoy both light and strong, intense coffee. So Papua New Guinea, I like the color. Okay, and then I'm actually liking these boxes. What do you guys think? The little kind of a little bit of a shimmer, a little bit of a nice box. H Sumatra. Okay, this coffee, I tried the Sumatra from the Starbucks Virtual. If you haven't seen my Starbucks, when they first released the virtual capsules, it was one of my favorites. And this is not new to Nespresso. They've had this before. It just keeps going and coming. So they've re-released it again, and I missed out once or twice before, so I was upset. So I'm assuming this one's really good because it keeps selling out. So H Sumatra, and this is a double espresso as well, intensity 8. So I'm quite excited for this one. There you go. Okay. Next ones are the virtual. These I've been waiting and waiting. They got them in Europe. They got them in Canada. Everyone except us got these first. So finally they're available. I believe they were available on Wednesday, the May 18th. So as soon as they were available, I ordered them. I think I might have even ordered them Tuesday late. Anyways, they finally have come in, the New World Explorations. So these are the new original coffees. So they also have the lemon, the exotic lemon, the Papua New Guinea, and the Sumatra for the original line, but I did not order those. You know, it's a little bit too much. So I need my AdSense to increase, guys. So make sure you watch all the videos so you know we could buy more coffee. But anyways, these are the ones I bought for the New World Explorations. They have Rio de Janeiro. And this one is an espresso as well. So it says Ristretto Espresso 9. So, ooh, this one's pretty intense. Istanbul, I was very excited for the Istanbul coffee. So my niece traveled to Turkey a couple years back. She was in this college exchange program. She traveled through Europe. She went to Turkey, and she said that the food was fabulous. The coffee was fabulous. She says, "Ooh, you have to try Turkish coffee one day." So this is probably as close as I'm going to get to it for now. And last but not least, the one we've all been excited for. This coffee has been the famous, people go crazy for it. They released it a couple years ago, and people, I guess, bought a lot of capsules, saved them, and have been reselling them for crazy prices. I'm sorry, but I was not going to pay $100 for a box of Paris. As much as I want to try it, that's a little bit out of my budget and a little bit crazy. But anyways, guys, Paris Espresso has finally arrived. Let's see, there we go. Get it to focus. I love this print, Paris Espresso. I only bought one, which I'm thinking I may regret. But as soon as I try it, as soon as I test it out, if I love it, because, you know, I may not love it. So I always try to only order one of each unless it's a coffee that I know I love and that I know I'm going to want to keep drinking. So this is my haul, you guys. I'm so excited. All of them are new. I haven't tried any of these coffees, so I'm excited to make reviews. So it's going to take me a little bit of time to review all these coffees. But as you guys know, Sunday mornings is my video time. Sundays at 10 a.m. every week. So make sure you turn your notifications. Make sure you subscribe so you know when my videos are released. And I'm going to try and add the second day. I initially was doing Wednesdays and Sundays. So I do want to try to add a second day of videos during the week. I don't know if I'm still going to do it on Wednesdays. Let me check the stats and the algorithm and see what the little YouTube machine tells me is the best day. But let me know what day you think would be good besides Sunday mornings. So that's my haul. I'm excited. Let me know if you guys ordered any of these coffees. Have you tried them yet? Are you loving them? Are you not loving them? Very, very interesting mix of coffees. You know, I feel like I'm traveling the world with all these coffees since I haven't been able to travel. But anyways, guys, thanks for watching. As always, I appreciate all the love and support you give. Make sure you give our videos thumbs up, helping our videos grow, our channel grow. Make sure you watch till the end. I know some people have complained my videos are too long, but that's okay. If it's too long, you know what you can do? Tap, tap, tap on your phone or your tablet, and you could skip along, or just don't watch them. I mean, as much as I want everybody to like my videos and watch my videos, I know not everyone's going to, and if you don't, that's okay. There's a lot of other people making these kind of videos, so can't win them all. But anyways, guys, thanks for everything. Yeah, so stick around because after this video, I'm gonna be doing my reviews. I'm excited to try some coffee, so we'll see you guys next time. And don't forget to leave me a comment. Let me know which coffees you've ordered, which ones are you excited to try, which ones you want me to review. First, I'm gonna start off with the lemon one because this one, everyone's talking about it, and I feel a little FOMO because I haven't tried it yet. So I'm going to review this one first, and then if there's any particular one you're really excited for me to review and make a video about, leave me a comment down below, and we'll see you guys next week. Bye, everyone. Enjoy your cafecito. Bye. Oh, hello, friends. I forgot to add something, and I just wanted to share with you guys that now I have a super fan on my YouTube channel. Yeah, that is so crazy. So I wanted to share that with you guys, you know, because you guys have always been supportive and great. I now have the super fan button. So if you, you know, want to help out and contribute to this channel, you just go to my videos. Yeah, so there's a little button here that says super thanks. You probably can't see it too good here. Here we go. Super thanks. You click on that, and then it'll tell you here if you guys want to give me a super thanks, $1.99, $4.99, $9.99, or more. Or I think you could customize it. But basically, just, you know, say you're a fan. You know, you like our videos, you appreciate what we're doing, and you want to help us out because it takes a lot of time and money to make these videos. But yeah, and I'm also part of Coffee. It's called where is it? KOFI. So if you want to buy me a cup of coffee, I'm going to leave the link down below as well. You could, you know, buy me a cup of coffee. That would be wonderful. That would be awesome. Or if you're you want to give me a super thanks for my videos, go ahead and click on the super thanks button. And yeah, just wanted to share and make sure you guys know that we have this available now for House of Cid. As always, thank you guys for your support. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing, and we'll see you guys next time. Enjoy your cafecito.